here. How's that?
Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We're taking a fast look at the new Ryobi One Plus Pruning Shear Kit. You get the shear with a protective sleeve for the blades, a charger, a 2 amp hour 18 volt battery, and the instructions to use to maintain the shear. The safety interlock is easy to use and the cut time is less than a second. It feels well balanced with the 2 amp hour battery installed.
This one,
Yeah.
like all the way back here.
We're pruning some drooping pin oak
here?
branches that make mowing difficult.
Yeah.
This is so quick and easy to use that my wife has claimed it as her pruner. One branch was at or maybe over the 3/4 inch cutting size and did take 2 cycles but cut through with no problem. Ryobi makes loppers for larger branches. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot to help others. Subscribe if you want to see what else we may get up to.